So if you guys didn't know, Springfield, Missouri, a couple months ago got beat to death with hail. And this is one of the rigs that was up there. One of the many that we've had in here. Every single one of them we've had to do roof skin replace. Here's just how big the hail. I mean, just annihilated them. No PDR on any of them. They're all conventional repair. This fender's getting replaced. Door can be fixed. Back door can be fixed. Bedside, that can be fixed. Getting a new hood, new windshield. This door's getting replaced actually. A dent right there. That's single. That's double paneled. Sunroof, new roof skin, another roof skin gotta do. At least color don't suck. Look at that bed liner. The hail was crazy in Springfield.